Okay.
Hello, I'm Scott Berry from CAD, and we're here to talk about a few of our components that we produce. Right here next to me is one of our ground controls. We make 3 different ground controls. This is the middle size unit, which we call the GC 3.1. The ground controls are for reducing high frequency noise in your system. They're used really in 3 different locations that we find. Components that generate noise, music servers, digital devices, products that are sensitive to noise, phono preamplifiers, amplifiers, and then on your mains power coming in, there's this third line called earth. We also use the ground controls there. So those are the 3 uses that we do with our different products, but we have different sizes and different price points. So this is the GC 3.1. It has 6 connections on the box, on the back, weighs about 34 pounds. Over here on our rack, I can show you, we have the smaller ones, which are called the GC 1.1s. And well, guess what? They are 1/3 the size of the GC 3.1. And these are right now, as I just mentioned, this one is connected to the server because of all the components we have here, this is a computer. And anytime you have any computer-based product in your system, we recommend to connect a GC 1.1 to that, typically through USB. The second GC1 is connected to the preamplifier. The preamplifiers are sensitive to noise. They have gain, they're increasing voltage, and we have very good luck attaching GC1s, 1.1s to that. Now this is the reference. So this is the largest of our ground controls, and it's called the GCR. And again, this has the similar materials that's in the other products, but it's just more of it, more of the material that reduces this high frequency noise. And this product can be used in many ways. Typically what we find is with larger systems, connecting the signal grounds of various components. This has 10 connections in it, works very well. What we're doing today with this is that we're connecting this just to the earth of the power coming in. We're in a large complex, very large complex with a shared earth connection between us and all of our neighbors. So the earth is very noisy here. So we've got the GCR connected to that, and it really does a wonderful job. Keeps that noise from getting into our other components. Over here, we have some cables. So let's start with this is the brand new. I've been designing USB cables for close to a decade now, and this just came out, and we call it the USB 2R. I have a patented filter design on this end, and it's this separate cable here is used for the power. The 5 volt that's in all USBs, and the reason it's separate is to try to keep the noise that's prevalent in a lot of the 5 volt supplies from getting into the important data lines which are in here. So in here is really where the music is, and also the signal ground is inside that. And this is brand new, and we've got some amazing, we just got a review saying from Hi-Fi Plus saying some really kind things about that. And also this filter that's in here, another option is if you have a cable that you like, or maybe this is too expensive for you, you can just buy the same technology and then use your cable. So this plugs into your USB audio connection, and then you plug your cable into this. And this has been doing very well. And another new product, we call this the USB control. And what this does, any type of unused USB connections that you have in your audio equipment, a lot of times servers, a lot of even analog components, power supplies and preamplifiers have update slots with USB-A. But what this does, decreases the noise, again on signal ground, but it also decreases the noise on the 5 volt line that's present in all USB connections. And many times that 5 volt line that this filters in the component is being used for audio circuitry also. So and it does this filtering over an extremely broad frequency spectrum. So if you have an unused USB output, just stick that in there and you'll hear a difference.